Check Rapid Antibody Diagnostic Test. Nature Care Innovation Services brings you COVID-19 Rapid Antibody Testing Kit to test yourself for coronavirus infection. This antibody kit is a rapid, qualitative and convenient immunochromatographic in vitro assay that detects IgM and IgG antibodies to COVID-19 virus in human blood samples. Specimen preparation. Obtain the blood samples. Remove the testing device from the sealed pouch by tearing at the notch. Add 2 drops whole blood with the pipette. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds and add 2 drops of assay buffer to the same sample well of the test device. Result interpretations. Negative. A pink colored band appears only at the control region C, indicating a negative result for COVID-19 infection. Positive. A pink colored band appears at the control region C and T1 and T2 regions, indicating a positive result of COVID-19 infection. This rapid testing kit demonstrates superior accuracy of up to 92% in detecting antibodies against COVID-19 virus. Please note, this testing kit provides only a primary test. Positive results should be confirmed by real-time transcriptase RT-PCR diagnosing kit. Be responsible and prepare yourself to stop spreading coronavirus.